A good roti prata is crispy on the outside, yet full of chewy layers on the inside, and so when you make the dough, it has to reflect that. So we start by adding boiling water and hot ghee to the dough. What this does is it denatures the proteins, preventing the dough from springing back when you stretch it out. For the wet ingredients, we have some warm milk and some water, and to that we're going to add some salt, some sugar. The dough at this point will look a bit shaggy and loose, but it's fine. After sitting for a while, it will become smoother and easier to work with. Rub your hands with some ghee and divide the dough into small portions. You want to shape each portion into a ball and rub each portion with some ghee just so that it doesn't stick. Now rest the dough for 2 hours at room temperature and we're ready to flip the pratas. Your goal is to not have any holes in your flip prata, so you just want to be cautious with it, and after your prata has reached a certain size, you can stop flipping and start stretching it out gently with your fingers. So in my curry puff video, I talked a bit about lamination and how layering an oil and water dough leads to layers. For prata it's different. In prata there are layers because you trap air between layers of thinly stretched dough. If you're making plain prata or kosong, you have to repeat the flipping and folding process a few times to get more trapped air, so it gets more layers. On the other hand, if you're making an egg prata, you only have to flip it once and fold it once. This is why when you order kosong, it always takes longer than an egg prata. I like ordering kosong, but it's not my favorite. My favorite is actually coin prata. It's so hard to find in Singapore, but there's a really good stall in Xinmin, which is my favorite. So coin prata is like the super flaky version of regular prata. So it's basically using the concept of trapping air as well as the concept of layering oil and dough. The reason why it's called coin is because it's so small. So basically you take one regular portion of prata and divide it into 3 or 4 pieces, sometimes even 5 depending on how big your coin is.